Hello, good people. This is Sherry. Are you tired of making the same old lady face earrings? I'm going to introduce you to a new design that honors a beautiful tradition. I'll show you how to paint these in 3 different ways. In West African cultures, facial markings weren't just decoration. They were a woman's proof of strength. Let me show you how I'm bringing this powerful tradition to modern jewelry. African female face markings, including scarification and tattoos, historically served as permanent markers of beauty, ethnic identity, social status, power, and courage. They are common across Nigeria in the Yoruba tribe, the Igbo tribe, and the Hausa tribe. Also in Ethiopia and Berber groups. These markings, such as lines, dots, and crosses, often signify fertility, age, or passage into adulthood. Women who had survived childbirth had markings that demonstrated that they were strong, powerful women. I personally found these facial markings and face paintings to be beautiful, and I felt really connected to them. I wanted to make some earrings that displayed this beauty, and I looked online everywhere. I could not find anything that was close to what I was looking for. And of course, online there are lots of different lady face earrings that people make, but I just didn't see what I was looking for. So I decided to create something unique. I came up with this design. I wanted something different and unique to offer to my customers who like to paint the lady face earrings. Even if you've never painted earrings before, you can do this, and I'll show you how. I use a light colored wood stain to color the faces. I'm using a sponge brush to apply the stain, but you could use any brush that you have. I grabbed my watercolor paints. These are pretty opaque, so the colors are pretty intense. I'm going to be using some small brushes. For this next pair, I'm going to use my Sharpie pens. For this pair, I'm not going to use paint. I'm going to take a pen and make some designs in the head wrap. You have the option of painting over the design if you'd like, just to give it a different look. Another option is to take a fine point pen and outline the facial markings. These are available as single pairs or sets in my shop. Look for the shop icon on the video. All right, good people, you know the drill. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, like it, share it. If you haven't subscribed, I'd love for you to subscribe and help me to get to 10,000 subscribers. All right, this is Sherry saying, as always, be blessed.